Alright, let's go and take a look at lesson 2.2. Lesson 2.2 is all about adding and subtracting inequalities. So, for example, if we see a question that says x minus 6 being greater than or equal to negative 10, how do we solve this? Okay, we want to make sure that we are adding numbers to one side, or getting numbers to one side, and leaving the letters, the variables, on one side. All right, so this minus 6, so that we can get all the numbers on that side, let's add it over here. Okay, that leaves us with x alone on this side. This inequality sign is still there. And negative 10 plus 6, they're different signs, so let's subtract the numbers. 10 minus 6 is 4, but the bigger number was 10 and it was negative, so let's leave the answer as x greater than or equal to negative 4. Right. So if the question said b minus 2 is greater than negative 9, we'll do the same thing. Okay, so we want to get the numbers onto that side, so we know that we will add this 2 over here to cancel out the 2's from this side, leaving only the letters on one side. Okay, b is greater than 9 and 2, they have different signs, so let's subtract the numbers. 9 minus 2 is 7, but again, 9 was a bigger number, so it's going to be negative. So our final answer is b is greater than negative 7. All right, now let's take a look at subtracting. All right, so let's say that our question says y plus 8 is less than or equal to 5. Okay. Same idea, we want to get the numbers onto this side, so let's subtract the 8 onto the other side, leaving us with y. This is a positive 5 and a negative 8, so again, they're different signs. That means let's subtract the bigger number minus the smaller number. So 8 minus 5 is 3. The bigger number was 8, so it was negative. And then let's keep the sign that we had. So y is less than or equal to negative 3. All right, let's take a look at a similar subtraction question. K plus 5 being less than or equal to negative 3. All right, so we want to get the numbers onto the side and leave the k by itself on one side. So let's subtract this 5 because it's positive over onto this side. This time they're the same sign, so let's keep the sign, add the numbers. 3 plus 5 is 8. So we'll keep the inequality sign the way it was, and the k is left alone on one side. So our answer is k is less than or equal to negative 8.